Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did this knotless box braid. But before we get into the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this video, please like this video, please like this video, please. Before you get into the video, please like this video. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Each time I'm doing knotless braids, I usually do the bricks layer method. So for this size, I always start with 3 at the back, or sometimes 4 at the back, and then we move forward, because when you start from the back any amount, then you know how to go the next one. So like you see, in between each braid we make another one at the top. So I always use my shine jam, and then each braid I separate it into 3. I can do it without it, but for the sake of this video I have to separate it into 3 so that my viewers can understand how to do it. So I always braid like 2 times, then I start adding the extra hair. So after braiding like 2 to 3 times, I will take this braiding hair according to the size which I want my braids to look like. I always pat the hair and keep them on a stand, which I have a video up showing you guys how to actually prepare your hair. But this time I use pre-stretch hair, so I wasn't going to stretch it, but I had to section them in little sections, which I am showing you guys now. So just watch as I'm adding. I always add in between. Let me zoom it. So I always add in between those 2 fingers, and I braid once, then I add again in between those 2 fingers. I braid again, 1, 2, I add the 3rd one, just depending on the size, depending on how I want the braids to look like. I will be adding until I'm satisfied with the length of the braid. So at this point I had to add more hair to increase the size. So this time around I'm just crossing at the top and then twisting the hair and then braiding it, so it doesn't show that I added something. So guys, so this is how I actually do. Maybe you should rewind again to understand what I did. Let me zoom it. You cross over the middle braid, and then you twist the other one behind, and then you braid. Anyways, once you try to do, you will see that you will just understand what to do. I don't know how to explain. I only know how to show you guys, so you have to be keen to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to fast forward the next braid, but if you didn't understand, please rewind and watch the first braid. So I'm going to show you guys one more braid at the top. So when I'm done, I put the hair in hot water so that it should hide the short hair at the edges, and then put my mousse on, put her under the dryer, and then yes, we are done with her hair. This style took me 5 hours. I left her under the dryer for like 10 minutes under medium heat, and then I use my oil, the oil which I sell, which you can use for your wigs, on her hair because it's very nice for natural hair as well. And then I use my edge control tool, which you can get it from me. And then yeah, so we are done. So you guys, let me know what you think and what do you want to see next. What do you want to see next? Give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up.